Hello, my techies. Welcome back. Today, our topic is Java general setup. Like example, how to download the Java and how to set up it. Everybody, we may see multiple videos and multiple places like blogs and all, how to set up and all, how to set up Java in our local machine. Here, what we learn new, that is like but till Java 11 or else Java 6 or else Java 7, 8, 9. Till 11, I think people might use to download the JDK and they can set up the JDK version and they can start work on that. People generally use that one, right? And you don't realize if you want to work with any new Java versions, like we cannot download it directly. Like we may have, I mean, why? Because it's been moved from general JDK to open JDK or Corito. Example, if you want to, if you, I'm coming here, Java 21 or 22 version download. Okay, so now you see, if you go to Oracle Corporation, open JDK it is, right? It's not a complete from Oracle. So it's been moved from Oracle to open JDK. You cannot directly download it here. But how can we do that? With IntelliJ, it's very easy. Okay, example, let's go back to Java, any latest version, or else let's assume that we are using Java 9 download. Okay, so then go to Java 9 and then I'm downloading it from the Oracle website. So I clicked it. So of course in my local it's already been downloaded. And once we downloaded the executable file, we can click next, and finally it's been installed. So when we install, we may see that in the C drive and program files, inside the program files, we can see the Java. So we can see Java 9. And remember, when we have a Java, so just click on this environmental variables. We can see two kind of environmental variables. Let's say if it is your personal laptop, then you can set up even environment variables for account, or else you can set up environment variables for your system environments. But remember, if you join to any corporate company, so this system environmental variable cannot be accessible. That is true. We cannot access that. Why? Because only admin can access it. They don't provide us any kind of permissions to edit the system environment variables. If you why? Because if you edit something, it affect to the system. That is the reason they always provide us suggestions. You can use your account. It is accessible. These are edit environmental variables for your account. It is accessible. Why? Because personal laptop, we are the admins. We are the users. Right? But whereas if you join to the corporate, so corporate company, you are not the admin. Someone is admin. You are an account holder. So just click on the edit account holder example, and create a one new environmental variable called Java underscore home. Point to that particular one. Generally, we do this one, right? And then we also edit the temp path, I mean, so the path and edit it, and we add the bin. Okay, that's right. Once we done that, like what we can do, let's go back to CMD, and then once we add the CMD, and then we can see Java hyphen version, okay, and Java C hyphen version, right? We have seen these things. We have those things. It has been added. Let's go back to let's say if you want to switch from Java 8 to sorry Java 9 to any versions, example Java 22 or 21, then again what we need to do in general missions, like we can go to the website and download the Java latest version and again set up everything. So this is very hard, literally. Why? Because we have to download the software. So instead of downloading from here, let me give a simple trick. Okay, if you are using IntelliJ, let's say I'm using IntelliJ. Let's go back to IntelliJ, open it. Okay, if you are using IntelliJ, it is very easy. Like you don't go to any of software, I mean to say, you don't need to go to any website to download the Java software, install it, and do that. IntelliJ is providing the great feature for us. So try to use the IntelliJ IDE, and you will feel the good environmentals. Example here, this is one of the application. Let's say, let me do one thing. Let me create a new application, new project. So click new, new project. Okay, in the new project, when you see, it's a Maven archetype I am selecting, and example, any type, test, any type. Okay, and here the location we can select it here, and then let's say I'm going to select a location, example, Java version test, something, anything. So here by default it is selecting I mean, in my mission it is selecting Java 9. If you want to change Java 9 to any version, what happens? You can go to download section. You can go to download section, and you can see the list of versions available here. Just select your favorite version. If you want 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, whatever your wish. That you can select anything. Let's say I select 22. So just click on the download. So automatically, you know, IntelliJ will go to the website and then download it from the OpenJDK and set up it. You see, in the bottom, if you observe here, so it is downloading Java 22 latest version. It won't take even much time, just telling you. So this is how we can easily download. We can easily switch from one software. I mean to say, one version to another version easily, right? That is the beauty of IntelliJ. So now let's trying to create it. I think once it is done, the OpenJDK installation is done, then we can create it. Next time, once it is only one time installation, right? Once it is downloaded, then it is there in your local disk. Even you can do the same process in even corporate companies as well. I meant to say, you join to the corporate company and you provided the laptop, and you no need to ask anyone. Just simply go to the IntelliJ and download it. And once it is downloaded, it set up everything. Just create it. Oh, I need to select something. It's because we have selected the Maven. So archetype is simple archetype. It's a quick start and version. I think I'm going with the simple one. Okay, let's create it. Group ID artifact is same. Just create it. So new window, I want to open it. So it's been opening in the new window. Now, if you see, this particular project is using Java 21. This particular project is using Java 21 is the version. Okay, how simple it is, right? Load Maven project. Yes, load the Maven project and close it. This we don't want right now. Yes, we are accepted. Features and all. Okay, it's been downloading because it's a starting of the first time application, right? We created freshly. That's the reason it is trying to set up everything. You see, this Maven also it is using sources or 22 is the sources. Maven sources are using. Okay, how good it is, right? And let me run a project, and I mean let me run a hello world application, and we can wind up the video. That is a simple thing. This is the way you can install, you can set up any Java version if you wish in the IntelliJ in easy step. Okay, if you observe here in the below, it is opening, it is showing that OpenJDK 22 setup, right? That's a great, cool idea. But it's taking time again. I think it's almost done. Yes, guys, it's been set up now. Okay, so what I gonna do? I gonna see here, and this is the app it is running, and make sure you know it's been set up everything. And let me try to run it. So run the application, and make sure it is running. It is using Java 22 or not. We will see that. You know, anyway, it's a simple hello world, right? Even it can run in any version. So let's go to the file and go to the project structure and make sure accept everything. Yes, here you see project it is using JD22 and then module. Let's select the module as a 22. I think 21 it is still there, and let me select that 22. Okay, and libraries, of course, facets of this one, and I'm going to select open JDK 22. Yes, select that one also. So now it is selected everything, and make sure. Let me select one more thing. Okay, go to files and go to settings, and remember here one thing. It's a compiler. Compiler. Okay, in this compiler, make sure select the Java compiler because compiler should be in the right version. So you see, right now it is pointing to Java 1.8. So it should select Java 22. So it's a Java 21 anyway. It's a latest one. Right? It compatible, no problem. So just select the 21 and click apply and click OK. Once you do that, then only IntelliJ IDE eligible for the compilation with the version whatever features comes up. 22 version basically here, right? These are the things. That's it, guys. Thank you. Thanks for the watching.